Hi, Dylan here from Makita, New Zealand. Now that you've seen some of the range already, let me show you what our two awesome cordless chainsaws look like rolled into one. It's the DUC356 18V/2 cordless top handle chainsaw. Get this tool in your hands and the lightweight conventional feel of the DUC356 is pretty hard to look past. You'll be impressed too with the reduced maintenance costs that this chainsaw is going to offer. When you're not worried about the pain of getting a petrol engine started, you're going to have less downtime on the job. Our DUC356 uses two tried and true Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Batteries. It's directly driven by our Makita built brushless outer rotor motor. You'll deliver a huge 0 to 1200 meters per minute of chain speed, which is completely controllable by you with a variable speed trigger. Making an impressive 45 cuts in 250mm pine logs per charge, all you need to do is top up the bar and chain oil, put on the two batteries, pull the trigger, you're away. The conventional handle and front handguard is engineered to engage the chain brake when it's needed. And while at the same time, it also isolates the trigger electrically. Put together, it's built with Makita's XPT for added protection. That's our unique extreme protection technology. Basically, it's a series of seals and channels engineered to direct dust and water out of the saw for increased durability and longevity of your outdoor power tools. Our DUC356 chainsaw, it's ready to take on almost any job you have, coming standard with a 350mm blade, a 14-inch bar and chain, and a protective cover. Our bar and chains are industry proven performers, and you can find them in a great range of other accessories available like chaps and visors for all of our outdoor power products. Thanks for watching and taking a look at the DUC356 18V/2 chainsaw. I've used it and I've watched it used. The same thing happens every time and it starts with wow. You really are going to be impressed with this tool. If the DUC356 is the tool for you and you want to find out more, take a look at our range, www.makita.co.nz.